Good afternoon, students. 10 plus 2 students. Once more, we are coming back to the teaching process after the unit examination. Today we are going to start the chapter number 4, Flamingo book. The title of the chapter is The Rat Trap. Rat trap means a difficult situation. Rat trap is a device to catch the rats. It is written by Selma Lagerlöf. Selma Lagerlöf is the author of this chapter. Dear students, this is a story about a person who is known as a vagabond. Who is vagabond? Vagabond is a person who does not have any job, a homeless person, a jobless person, a workless person, and aimless person is known as a vagabond. Vagabond is the main character in the story, who is a beggar, who always keeps walking on the foot, selling the small rat traps. This business is not profiting. In another sense, the vagabond means tramp. Tramp. Who is a tramp? Tramp is the same person, a jobless person. This is a story about a person who does not have any job, does not have any aim of life, does not have any home, and always wear the rags. Rags mean dirty clothes. Ragamuffin. Ragamuffin. We can call ragamuffin, tramp, and vagabond. This is a story about the person who is known as a ragamuffin. Ragamuffin क्यों जाना जाता है? क्योंकि वो डर्टी क्लोथ्स पहनता है, सारा दिन घूमता रहता है भिखारियों की तरह। और ट्रैप और वेगाबोंड मीन जॉबलेस, होमलेस, एमलेस पर्सन, इसलिए उसको बोला जाता है। उसका कोई घर बार नहीं है, परिवार नहीं है, नौकरी नहीं है, काम नहीं है, सारा दिन भटकता रहता है, घूमता रहता है। एंड पीपल डोंट ट्रीट हिम प्रॉपरली, लोग उसको प्रॉपरली ट्रीट नहीं करते। एंड ही इज वेरी मच फेड अप विद द सोसाइटी एंड द पीपल. He is very much upset with them. One day when he was walking on the road, he had struck, his mind was struck with the idea. He had an idea in the mind. उसके दिमाग में ख्याल आया, विचार आया कि पूरी जो दुनिया है, the world has been compared to the big rat trap. पूरी दुनिया को, पूरी सोसाइटी को, पूरे समाज को उसने एक बहुत बड़े चूहे के पिंजरे के समान बता दिया. He has made the comparison of the world with the big rat trap, and the human beings have been compared with the rats, and the materialistic things, the facilities of the people have been compared with the attractions. According to this person, the human beings are compared to the rats, and this world has been compared with the rat trap. And these attractions, the cars, bungalows, houses, pizzas, burgers, these are the attractions. And man is attracted toward the materialistic things, and he is trapped into the rat trap. This is the story, and that is why he always got the pleasant mood. He always happy to think about the peoples, to compare the people, society, and the world. So one day he was walking on the road. It was getting dark, and he was searching the shelter for the night. एक रात्रि का उसे विश्राम चाहिए था. तो रात्रि के विश्राम में वो क्रॉफ्टर मीन ओल्ड मैन was living in his house. It was situated near the road. The person was living alone, and he needed some companion. And this rat trap peddler knocked at the door. उसने उसके दरवाजे को खटखटाया, and he was given a welcome. He was given reception, he was given dinner, and everything was shared with him. But early in the morning, this vagabond, this tramp, this ragamuffin, this peddler, this beggar has robbed the crofter. Crofter को लूट लिया. Sweden currency, 30 kroner. 30 kroner. It is a Sweden currency. He has stolen 30 kroners from the crofter. And he started going to the forest, and it was a big and confusing forest. He found himself trapped into the forest. And anyhow, he had to manage out of the forest and he went to a iron mill. Iron mills, it was owned by a iron master. Iron master. Ramso Iron Mill. It was known as the Ramso Iron Mill, where the iron work was done. Iron tools were made and constructed. And this iron master was a prominent iron master, prominent businessman, and whose ambition was to supply the good quality iron into the market. And he used to come day and night in the iron. And he was getting a center in the iron. And when he happened to see the stranger lying on a pig iron into the mill, he found that perhaps he was his known person. He was his old friend. Old friends mean Captain von Stahler. He thought that the Captain von Stahler, he recognized the vagabond as a Captain von Stahler. Means Nils Olof. ये एक ही व्यक्ति के नाम है. This is a fictional character. This is a fictional character. काल्पनिक कैरेक्टर है. He thought the iron master thought this vagabond, this tramp, as a Captain von Stahler, and Nils Olof had invited him at the dinner in his house. But the ragamuffin, but the tramp, but the vagabond, the peddler, the beggar refused to go with him and refused his invitation because he was very much afraid. He was afraid of being caught by the police because he had stolen the 30 kroner from the crofter. He cheated the crofter. He cheated the crofter. He deceived the crofter, who gave him a warm welcome. And after that, Adela will mention, she was the lonely daughter of the iron master. Adela Wilbenson was a kind-hearted lady. She was generous. She was sympathetic. She was considerate. She was a nice lady. And her behavior and treatment and respect and honor impressed the peddler very much. Adela Wilbenson was sent by his father. She was sent by her father to bring the peddler, to bring the tramp into the home. It was the time of the Christmas. And he was called by the Adela Wilbenson. Adela Wilbenson behaved in such a fashion, such a manner. He generated a confidence in the peddler and he accepted the invitation and he came to the house of Adela Wilbenson. Adela Wilbenson gave him a warm reception, good honor, good respect. He was treated just like a captain. But when the reality came, when the iron master came to know the reality that in the darkness it was a case of mistaken identity, to whom he called the Captain von Stahler, he was known, it was clear in the day broad light, he was known his known person, he was known not his own friend, and he got angry. He called him a deceiver and cheater. Why didn't you tell me that you are not Captain von Stahler? I recognize you by mistake. मैंने आपको गलती से पहचान लिया लेकिन आपने अपनी पहचान को रिवील नहीं किया, डिस्क्लोज नहीं किया. ये आप चीटर हो. You should get out from my house. You have cheated with me. But Adela Wilbenson interfered in this matter. In spite of knowing the truth, she honored, she offered him the night stay and he was given a good welcome. Early in the morning after the Christmas festival, they went to the church and came to learn that a person who is selling the small rat traps, छोटे छोटे चूहे के पिंजरे बेच रहा है, वो व्यक्ति had stolen the 30 kroner from a crofter. एक फार्मर की 30 kroner उसने चुरा लिए हैं. And it was a big crime. Adela Wilbenson was very much upset. And when they returned back from the church to the home, they suspected that perhaps he had stolen many things from the house, but nothing was robbed. Even a packet was handed over to the Adela Wilbenson by the valet, by the servant. And when he opened the packet, there was a letter and there was a small gift in the letter. It was written to the Adela Wilbenson. He received my gift. It was a gift of small rat trap. And what was written in the letter? I am very much grateful and thankful to you, Miss Adela Wilbenson. You gave me a lot of honor and you respected and treated me just like a Captain von Stahler. And I am returning the 30 coroners back. I have left the theft and the robbery. You changed my mind and my prospect. You changed my thievery habits, and I am very much grateful. Receive my gift also. And he signed himself as Captain von Stahler. उसने अपने दस्तक भी कैप्टन के नाम से क्यों किए? क्योंकि he was treated just like a captain. So dear students, the theme of the story is that a man is not born criminal. The goodness can be generated in the mind of the person by the good behavior, kindness, generosity, and feelings, love, and sympathy. So Adler will mention change this mind, change the person, and Adler will mention plays a very important role to change the bad habits of the bad habits of the peddler, bad habits of the train, bad habits of the vagabond. So this story gives a lesson that a goodness can be awakened in the heart of a person, maybe criminal, maybe robber, maybe a homeless or jobless, and his behavior was changed by the Adler will mention behavior and respect. So now he has stolen the 30 coroners of the crofter, and this is a big change in the life of the main character. Thank you, students. I have tried my best to discuss and to explain this story in a very brief manner, and if you find any problem in the next session, we can discuss about it. Thank you, students. Have a good day.